You feel connected, and connected basically जो definition है उसकी वो यही है कि अल्लाह ताला से connect होना इंसान का. अब like Paulo Coelho, he is deeply inspired by Rumi, by the way. So far he's written 25 or 26 books and I have 21 or 22, starting with Alchemist. And lately I came to learn that he's very much inspired by Maulana Rum. और मौलाना रूम का ये है सिलसिला कि once you start reading him, once you develop a liking for him, मौलाना रूम से जान नहीं छूटती और वो आपके अंदर समा से जाते हैं और somehow वो एक जो मिसिंग लिंक है वो कनेक्ट हो जाता है.